First question: Who was the first person to observe individual satyagraha? Answer: Option A, Vinoba Bhave. Next question: Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Answer: Option A, Lord Mountbatten. Next question: Who is author of the autobiography The Indian Struggle? Answer: Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Who said, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom"? Answer: Option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Who is the first and last Indian Governor General of Free India? Answer: Option C, Chakravarti Rajgopalachari. The first man who introduced the printing press in India? Answer: Option D, James Hickey. The name of the first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing full term? Answer: Option C, Morarji Desai. The name of the first President of India who died while in office? Answer: Option A, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Famous Ramacharita was written by? Answer: Option D, Tulsidas. Who started the construction of the Qutub Minar in 1199 in Delhi in memory of the Sufi saint? Answer: Option C, King Qutubuddin Aibak. Which ruler completed the construction of the Qutub Minar? Answer: Option A, Iltutmish. What is the capital of the King Qutubuddin Aibak? Answer: Option C, Lahore. Muhammad Ghori attacked India in which year? Answer: Option C, 1175. Who was the founder of the slave dynasty? Answer: Option A, Qutubuddin Aibak. Who wrote Mahabharata into Sanskrit language? Answer: Option C, Vedavyas. Who was the first Muslim ruler of India? Answer: Option B, Qutubuddin Aibak. Silver Tanka and copper Jital introduced by which ruler? Answer: Option A, Iltutmish. Ikta system was introduced by which ruler? Answer: Option D, Iltutmish. The name of the first woman ruler of the Sultanate? Answer: Option B, Razia Sultan. Which ruler attacked Chittor Fort in 1303? Answer: Option A, Alauddin Khilji. Which ruler shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad in 1327? Answer: Option A, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which ruler was killed Bahlal Lodi in 1451? Answer: Option C, first Shah Alam. Who is called the father of Urdu language and the inventor of sitar? Answer: Option D, Amir Khusrau. Who was the founder of the Lodhi dynasty? Answer: Option A, Bahlal Lodi. In 1504, who founded the city of Agra and made it his capital? Answer: Option D, Sikandar Lodi. The city of Hyderabad was built by? Answer: Option D, Muhammad Adil Shah. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? Answer: Option B, King Babur. In which year Babur first attacked in India? Answer: Option A, 1519. On 20 April 1526, the first battle of Panipat was fought between? Answer: Option C, Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. In 1539, the Battle of the Chausa was fought between. Answer option A, Humayun and Sher Shah Suri. Who wrote the famous Humayun Nama? Answer option B, Gulbadan Begum. The name of the father and mother of the great ruler Akbar is. Answer option B, Humayun and Hamida Banu Begum. When and where great ruler Akbar was born? Answer 23 November 1542. On 2nd November 1556, the second battle of the Panipat was fought between. Answer option D, Akbar and Hemu. In 1561, Akbar defeated the which musician Sultan of Malwa? Answer option D, Baz Bahadur. Bulanda Darwaza is the gateway of Fatehpur Sikri was built by. Answer option A, King Akbar. The Battle of the Haladi Ghat was fought between. Answer option A, Akbar and Maharana Pratap. Who introduced tobacco for the first time in India in the court of the Akbar in 1604? Answer option C, Portuguese. When the East India Company was founded? Answer option A, year 1600. In which year great ruler Akbar was died? Answer option D, 1605. Who wrote the famous Ain-i Akbari and Akbarnama? Answer option A, Abul Fazl. The name of the famous historians of Akbar's court? Answer option D, Abul Fazl. The name of the finance and revenue minister of King Akbar? Answer option D, Raja Todara Malla. Who has translated Bhagavata Purana into Persian language? Answer option A, Raja Todara Malla. The name of the last great Mughal emperor of Mughal Empire? Answer option A, Aurangzeb. The name of the first great leader of the Maratha was? Answer option D, Chhatrapati Shivaji. Who among the following was called Tagore of Punjab? Answer option B, Puran Singh. Who among the following Englishmen first translated Bhagavad Gita into English? Answer option D, Charles Wilkins. Discovery of India was written by? Answer option A, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Who composed the Gayatri Mantra? Answer option D, Vishwamitra. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer option C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the Viceroy of India when the Rowlatt Act was passed? Answer option A, Lord Chelmsford. In which year Swaraj Party was established? Answer option A, year 1923. Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement in the year? Answer option B, 1920. The All India Kisan Sabha was founded in the year? Answer option C, 1936. When the Battle of Plassey was fought? Answer option C, 1757. Who was the founder of the All India Harijan Sevak Sangha? Answer option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the leader of the Champaran Indigo movement? Answer option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Azad Hind Fauj set up in which place? Answer option C, Singapore. Who among the following is known as Light of the Asia? Answer option A, Lord Buddha. Who constructed the world famous Jagannath temple at Puri? Answer option C, Ananta Varma Chodagangadeva. The Sun Temple of Konark was built by Narasimhadeva. To which dynasty he belongs to? Answer option D, Ganga dynasty. Who was the Nawab of Bengal during the Battle of Palasi? Answer option A, Siraj Uddaula. Who is known as the father of the modern India? Answer option D, Raja Rama Mohan Rai. The name of the person who was founded Swaraj Party? Answer option B, Chittaranjan Das. The mantra do or die was given by which famous person? Answer option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Who wrote the famous song सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा? Answer option C, Muhammad Iqbal. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Answer option D, Sarojini Naidu. Jammu and Kashmir became an integral part of the India on? Answer option B, 26 October 1947. Who among the following Pakistani national was awarded Bharat Ratna by the India government? Answer option C, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who was the commander-in-chief of INA before Subhash Chandra Bose? Answer option D, Captain Mohan Singh. Who of the following was a founder of the Bharat Naujawan Sabha in 1926? Answer option A, Sardar Bhagat Singh. Sabarmati Ashram established by Mahatma Gandhi is located at? Answer option C, Ahmedabad. Who was the first person to establish an independent Indian army outside India? Answer option D, Ras Bihari Bose. The president of the Indian National Congress at the time of partition? Answer option D, J.B. Kripalani. Who wrote the book The Story of the Integration of the Indian State? Answer option A, V.P. Menon. Who is author of the novel Devadas? Answer option B, Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay. Who of the following started the newspaper Bande Mataram? Answer option D, Bipin Chandra Pal. The name of the founder of the Hindu Mela? Answer option B, Navagopala Mitra. The name of the first Indian who was elected to the leadership of the Communist International was? Answer option A, M.N. Roy. Mahatma Gandhi had been joined the Champaran struggle by? Answer option D, both B and C, Rajendra Prasad and Jawaharlal Nehru. In which year Burma was separated from India? Answer option A, 1937. Who was president when the Congress constituted its first national planning program in 1938? Answer option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Who started the Arya Samaj? Answer option C, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Shishir Kumar Ghosh founded which party in Calcutta in 1875? Answer option A, the Indian League. India Wins Freedom was written by? Answer option C, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who started the Ganpati festival? Answer option A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who got the Gita translated into Persian? Answer option C. Dara Sikho. Gita Govinda the famous was written by. Answer option A. Jaydev. Who is called the father of the nation? Answer option C. Mahatma Gandhi. The name of the first Prime Minister of Free India. Answer option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Delhi? Answer option A. Kutubuddin Aibak. The name of the first man to have climbed Mount Everest twice. Answer option C. Nawang Gombub. The name of the first president of the Indian Republic. Answer option D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The name of the first Muslim president of the India. Answer option B. Dr. Zakir Hussain. The Moti Masjid in Agra was built during the reign of. Answer option C. Shah Jahan. The first Indian Hindi scholar of the Mughal period was. Answer option A. Abdul Rahim. The name of the first president of the Indian National Congress. Answer option D. Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Who is known as the father of the missile program? Answer option C. APJ Abdul Kalam. Who is the first Indian man in space? Answer option D. Rakesh Sharma. Who were the first kings to issue gold coins in India? Answer option B. Indo-Greek. The city of Jaunapur was founded in the memory of. Answer option C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who was called the Akbar of Kashmir? Answer option A. Jainul Abidin. When Babur invaded India, who was the ruler of the Vijayanagar Empire in the South India? Answer option B. Krishnadev Rai. Where is the first section of the Indian National Congress held? Answer option B. Bombay. Who was the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress? Answer option D. Badaruddin Tayabji. Indian National Congress was founded by. Answer option C. Elon Octavian Hume. Who among the following was thrice elected President of the Indian National Congress? Answer option A. Dadabhai Nauroji. Who was the founder of the Indian Association? Answer option D. Surendranath Banerjee. Who was the founder of the East India Association? Answer option A. Dadabhai Nauroji. When was founded the Indian Association? Answer option C. 1876. The Muslim League was established in the year. Answer option D. 1906. Who was the first Indian to become member of the British Parliament? Answer option D. Dadabhai Nauroji. Who was called the Grand Old Man of India? Answer option C. Dadabhai Nauroji. When Maulana Abdul Kalam started an Urdu weekly, the Al Hilal? Answer option A. 1912. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? Answer option C. Ani Besant. Who was the founder editor of the famous newspaper Kesari during the national struggle? Answer option D. Lokmanya Tilak. All India Muslim League was formed at. Answer option D. Dhaka. Who is the founder of the Bharat Naujawan Sabha in 1926? Answer option C. Sardar Bhagat Singh. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it? Answer option C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who said that Congress movement was neither inspired by the people nor devised or planned by them? Answer option A. Lala Lajpat Rai. Who is known as the father of the Indian cinema? Answer option C. Dada Saheb Phalke. Who is known as the father of Indian Renaissance? Answer option A. Raja Ramamohan Rai. Who was the first Indian judge of the International Court of Justice? Answer option B. Dr. Nagendra Singh. Who was the first person to get Bharat Ratna? Answer option A. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Panchatantra is originally written by. Answer option A. Vishnu Sharma. When Mahatma Gandhi was first arrested during Satyagraha? Answer option C. 1908. Who said this famous dialogue Sab Lal Ho Jayega? Answer option A. Ranjit Singh. India Wins Freedom was written by. Answer option D. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Who was the founder of the Atmiya Sabha? Answer option C. Rama Mohan Rai. Who was the founder of the Ramakrishna Mission? Answer option B. Swami Vivekananda. Who was the founder of the Congress Socialist Party? Answer option C. Jayaprakash Narayan. Who was the nominated President of the Indian National Congress after the resignation of the Subhash Chandra Bose? Answer option A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first and last Indian to hold office as Governor General of Independent India. Answer option A. Chakravarti Rajgopalachari. Quit India movement was begun on. Answer option A. 9th August 1942. Jayaprakash Narayan belonged to which party? Answer option C. Socialist Party. Who was author of the book My Experiment with Truth? Answer option A. Mahatma Gandhi. In which of the following years the Battle of the Buxar was fought? Answer option A. 1764. Who was the founder of the Gupta dynasty? Answer option B. Sri Gupta. Which king of Gupta dynasty was called the Napoleon of India? Answer option D. Samudragupta. Who assumed the title of Vikramaditya? Answer option A. Second Chandragupta. Who was the Mughal emperor to have lifted the jizya on Hindus? Answer option A. Akbar. Who appointed maximum number of Hindu officers was? Answer option C. Aurangzeb. Who built the famous Taj Mahal? Answer option B. Shah Jahan. Who was called Jindapir in Mughal India? Answer option C. Aurangzeb. Which ruler lifted the jizya on Hindus? Answer option A. King Akbar. The historian Abul Fazl was killed by. Answer option B, Bir Singh Dev Bundela. Jizya was reimposed during the reign of. Answer option C, Aurangzeb. Tulsidas composed his Ramacharita in the reign of. Answer option A, King Akbar. When Nadir Shah attacked Delhi, the Mughal emperor was. Answer option D, Muhammad Shah.